Welcome back to Speak Fluent English. Do you sometimes struggle to find the right English words for your everyday life? Maybe you want to talk about waking up, getting ready for work, cooking dinner, but you don't know the sentences. Well, in this lesson, you'll learn 50 simple daily routine sentences you can use every single day. And once you master them, your English will feel natural, confident, and easy. Today, we're focusing on daily routine sentences in English. These are short, practical sentences that you can use from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to bed. If you're an A1 or A2 learner, this lesson will help you improve your speaking skills, build your vocabulary, and gain confidence in everyday conversations. And the best part? You can start using these sentences immediately after watching this video. Before we begin, here's what you'll need. Number 1, a notebook or paper to write down the sentences. Number 2, a pen or pencil. Number 3, your voice. Be ready to repeat after me. Saying the sentences out loud will help you remember them faster. And finally, bring your focus and energy. This is a speaking practice session, so I want you talking along with me. All right, let's go step by step. I've divided the 50 sentences into 3 parts: morning routine, work or school routine, and evening routine. I will say the sentence, then you repeat after me. Number 1, I wake up at 6 o'clock. Repeat. I wake up at 6 o'clock. You can change the time for yourself. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Number 2, I get out of bed. Repeat. I get out of bed. Simple and clear. Number 3, I brush my teeth. Repeat. I brush my teeth. Number 4, I wash my face. Repeat. I wash my face. Number 5, I take a shower. Repeat. I take a shower. Number 6, I get dressed. Repeat. I get dressed. Number 7, I comb my hair. Repeat. I comb my hair. Number 8, I make my bed. Repeat. I make my bed. Number 9, I have breakfast. Repeat. I have breakfast. Number 10, I drink a cup of coffee. Repeat. I drink a cup of coffee. If you don't drink coffee, you can say, I drink tea. Number 11, I check my phone. Repeat. I check my phone. Number 12, I prepare my bag. Repeat. I prepare my bag. Number 13, I leave the house. Repeat. I leave the house. Number 14, I go to work. Repeat. I go to work. Number 15, I take the bus. Repeat. I take the bus. You can also say, I take the train. Number 16, I start work at 9. Repeat. I start work at 9. Number 17, I answer emails. Repeat. I answer emails. Number 18, I attend a meeting. Repeat. I attend a meeting. Number 19, I talk to my colleagues. Repeat. I talk to my colleagues. Number 20, I take a short break. Repeat. I take a short break. Number 21. I drink some water. Repeat. I drink some water. Number 22. I work on my tasks. Repeat. I work on my tasks. Number 23. I have lunch at 1 o'clock. Repeat. I have lunch at 1 o'clock. Number 24. I make a phone call. Repeat. I make a phone call. Number 25. I finish work at 5. Repeat. I finish work at 5. Number 26. I go to the supermarket. Repeat. I go to the supermarket. Number 27. I buy groceries. Repeat. I buy groceries. Number 28. I walk home. Repeat. I walk home. Number 29. I take a taxi. Repeat. I take a taxi. Number 30. I arrive home. Repeat. I arrive home. Number 31. I change my clothes. Repeat. I change my clothes. Number 32. I wash my hands. Repeat. I wash my hands. Number 33. I cook dinner. Repeat. I cook dinner. Number 34. I set the table. Repeat. I set the table. Number 35. I eat dinner. Repeat. I eat dinner. Number 36. I wash the dishes. Repeat. I wash the dishes. Number 37. I watch TV. Repeat. I watch TV. Number 38. I read a book. Repeat. I read a book. Number 39. I talk to my family. Repeat. I talk to my family. Number 40. I listen to music. Repeat. I listen to music. Number 41. I check social media. Repeat. I check social media. Number 42. I study English. Repeat. I study English. Number 43. I take a shower. Repeat. I take a shower. Number 44. I brush my teeth. Repeat. I brush my teeth. Number 45. I put on my pajamas. Repeat. I put on my pajamas. Number 46. I set my alarm. Repeat. I set my alarm. Number 47. I turn off the lights. Repeat. I turn off the lights. Number 48. I go to bed. Repeat. I go to bed. Number 49. I fall asleep. Repeat. I fall asleep. Number 50. I dream about my goals. Repeat. I dream about my goals. Now, let me show you a quick example of how these sentences work together in real life. Good morning. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a shower. Then I get dressed, have breakfast, and drink a cup of coffee. I check my phone and prepare my bag. I leave the house and take the bus to work. I start work at 9, answer emails, and attend meetings. At 1, I have lunch. In the evening, I arrive home, cook dinner, eat with my family, and watch TV. Before bed, I take a shower, brush my teeth, set my alarm, and go to sleep. Here's how to remember these sentences. Write them in your notebook and review them every day. Practice them out loud while doing your daily activities. Use flashcards, one side with your language, one side with English. Practice with a friend, or even talk to yourself in the mirror. Some learners find pronunciation difficult. My advice? Break the sentence into small parts. Say them slowly, then faster. If sentence structure is confusing, remember, subject plus verb plus object is the basic English order. Example, I brush my teeth.